The world of estate planning has many roads, all of which lead people down different paths of protecting their assets and property in the interest of passing these things on to loved ones. From wills to trusts and beyond, and the many variations of each, there are several vehicles a person can use to accomplish this. That is why understanding key differences between documents like revocable trusts and irrevocable trusts can be pivotal in effective estate planning. In this video, we'll discuss those key differences and how these two legal documents impact the assets they hold. First, what is a trust? A trust is most simply a legal arrangement that designates a party to maintain and secure assets for the benefit of an intended beneficiary. There are four components of a trust. The settlor, also known as the grantor or truster, is the person establishing the trust and whose assets make up the estate. The beneficiary is the person whom the assets will be given to. The trustee is the person assigned to manage the trust. And of course, there is the property itself. So what is a revocable trust? A revocable trust is one that can be amended at any time or even revoked by the settlor. Banks or trust companies are often chosen as trustees, but the grantor themselves can also act as the trustee. A key function of a revocable trust is that even though the grantor gives their assets into the trust, they still maintain control of those assets and may still receive any income earned by them. So the most pivotal component of a revocable trust is that the grantor always maintains some kind of control of its assets. What is an irrevocable trust? As its name would imply, an irrevocable trust is one that cannot be amended. Once it's created, its terms are set in stone, or at least they're much tougher to modify. Still, the purpose of this trust structure and its intended permanence is that it affords greater protections for the assets involved, separating the relationship between those assets and the grantor. The trust itself can create what's referred to as shelter, which can exempt assets from the grantor's or beneficiary's legal problems. It can protect assets from creditors or inclusion in divorce settlements when applicable. We're eForms, the biggest online database of legal documents. We've got even more information about drafting trusts at the link below this video. So click the link and don't forget to subscribe for more estate planning tips.